Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video I want to share with you how I created my two animations based on the TV series From. So yeah, let's begin. As always, my process of creating animations starts in app Procreate Dreams. Okay, not in app Procreate Dreams. But first it starts with app Procreate, where I draw storyboards. As always, I start from rough sketches, then I make line art, and then final colored version of animations. So these animations are based on the TV series From. This is my favorite horror TV series or slash movie, horror movie at this time. I mean, if we talk about modern TV series. The first animation is about my favorite character from this show, Jade. Jade is the best character in my opinion, and every time when the other characters are being mean to him and saying things like, yeah, he's very egocentric, he cares only about himself, and it makes my blood boil, because every time I hear it, I'm like, wait a second, what did you say about my favorite character? Come on, say it again, straight to my face. So I don't know, I want to kick all these characters when they say mean shit to Jade, because Jade is, I don't know, I like this character, because this character, even though he's not perfect, but all he does is wants to help other characters, and this is what I like about Jade. Plus, Jade is the main reason why the plot of this series keep moving forward, because otherwise, if he would do nothing, other characters would still be talking and whining and complaining and do nothing, but Jade is trying to do something to help people, and this is what I like about this character. The timing for this animation was perfect. I created the first animation based on TV series From right before the last episode of the season 4, and that's why many people saw this animation, and this is why I gained a lot of new followers on Instagram, and I have many views to my animations thanks to the algorithm. And for everyone who's watching my art, thank you so much. I hope you enjoy what you see. So yeah, this was perfect timing, and it made me so inspired to draw more and more animations, because I love this TV series, and when I saw that this is not only I love and I don't know, I draw it and no one sees it, but also other people love it, and I was like, okay, I have another idea and another idea. I'm gonna keep entertaining people. I want to create more and more and more. So I was inspired, and I think I still am inspired. So yeah, this is why I painted already. This is why I already created 4 animations based on this TV series, and I have the 5th idea for this TV series, and it's in progress. In progress in my head. I am trying to visualize what I saw in my imagination. Right now it's very blurry, and it's like I see everything, and it looks like everything in this fog, and I see this, and I try to see through this thick fog, and I'm trying to do something like this to have a clear vision of what I see, and it's not working yet, but I'm in progress. So yeah, that was the first animation, and second animation that reached 1 million views on Instagram, which was very, I don't know, exciting and maybe scary, because I was like, 1 million views, what do we do now? I've never had this before. Is it good? Is it strange? But right now I'm happy that many people saw this animation, and the success of this animation is due to the viral song from the game Crococo. This is a meme game, and when I saw, when Instagram suggested me videos with how people play this game and their funny reaction to this game, and there was this funny music, and I heard it, and I was like, I have to draw animation based on this, and I'm glad that I did it, because this is very funny song, and I always want to. And I always enjoy drawing something based on the music, and if I can put music into my animation, this is perfect. Usually I cannot do that because of the problems with license problems, but right now I could but I could do that right now with this song, and this is perfect. So yeah, I think that this success of this animation is mainly due to this viral song, because this song is perfect. And this animation is about my prediction was going to be in the fifth final season of the From, and I don't know, I enjoyed drawing it, and I think this is the best animation based on the From TV series. I mean, my animation based on the From TV series right now. I already painted 4, but I think the second one is the best animation. Plus, it was very fun to draw because I drew many characters. And by the way, there is a character that this evil daughter, pastor daughter, she looks exactly like me many years ago when I was thin and I was wearing glasses. And every time I look at her, I think like, if I would lose weight, I could easily cosplay her because she looks exactly like I looked many years ago. I mean, maybe not exactly because she has blonde hair and my hair is dark, but I think I could make this cosplay. So yeah, I don't know, maybe one day, who knows. So yeah, that's what I wanted to talk about. I keep drawing the animations based on this fandom, and I want to create a 5th animation. I already said that, but also I watched other movies and series, and I would like to also make animations based on them. Also recently I watched the new TV series Videos Bay, and I like this TV series. This is like horror, dark humor comedy that makes parody on the famous movies and series. For example, it has parody on Shining, From, this Jason with the mask, this horror old movie, I forgot the name of this horror movie, and many other. And I like this show very much. I watched the whole first season, and but there is a problem. I have no idea what to draw, what animations to make based on this show, because this is difficult. For example, if you watched the From has its own universe, and it's easy to make animations based on it. But the Videos Bay, it's parody on many movies, and while it has its also have this universe and atmosphere, it's much difficult to come up with original ideas. So I don't know if I would make animation based on this show. Maybe, I don't know. Right now I have 0 ideas, but I like this show. Also, if some of you remember, I drew animation based on Descendants movie, and there is a 5th part of the Descendants movie. I watched it, and I'm like, should I draw animation based on that or not? So maybe, okay, I don't know why I keep making promises like I for sure already know that I will draw, because I have no idea. Maybe I won't draw it. Maybe I will watch something else and be like, no, I want to create animation based on this. But I'm watching many movies and shows, and I have ideas, but right now I'm making animation based on From. So yeah, it's good when you draw and other people see what you actually draw, because algorithms help you to show your animations to many people, and people see it, and this is very good feeling, because while many people say that views don't matter, why do people keep chasing views? But I think this is a little different for the artists and animators, because when you put what you created out there, and I'm not talking about videos, when you create something that's very meaningful to you, when you post drawings or animations, you put heart and soul into it, even if it's just weird meme based on the other meme song. It's important to you, and when you post it, you would love people to see that. And when people see it, this is a good feeling because it feels like you didn't waste your time for nothing. You created and people see it, and if it entertained other people, it's already good. So yeah. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. In the next video, I'll talk to you about my other 2 animations based on the TV series From. I'll see you in the next videos. Bye. Что это у тебя?
Картина?
А, я думала, сова. Большой выбор картин моего производства на Яндекс Маркете. Картины маслом, акварелью, графика, пейзажи, портреты, птицы. Переходи по ссылке в моем описании и выбирай картину себе по душе. Спасибо вам за внимание и приятных вам покупок!